Greetings, I am Dave Forget, President and CEO of DCI Microscopy. In many microscopy imaging applications, a good camera microscope stage alignment can be very helpful. It is especially beneficial when building mosaic images, also known as tiling, or when using centroids function or guard frame in image analysis. Yes, some imaging softwares may have functions to correct a certain amount of tilt, but you will increase your chances of a good result with a correctly aligned camera. We mean by camera alignment that the x-axis of both the camera and the stage are parallel. It will ensure that the movement between the acquired frames are not tilted. To verify if a camera is correctly aligned, select a low-power objective. A 5x objective is usually a good choice since it has a relatively wide field of view, which will be helpful for this maneuver. You could, of course, choose a lens of even lower power, but the chances of having pincushion distortion would increase, making it harder to see if the camera is properly aligned. Next, you must choose a sample that contains small to medium-sized artifacts. They must be sharp and well defined in the image window when using a 5x objective, like in this example. Now choose one object or artifact located on your sample. Then, we will bring this artifact as close to the top edge of the screen as possible. We will then move from left to right or right to left. If the artifact moves in a parallel fashion with the edge of the screen, it's all good. Your camera is aligned. If the camera is not properly aligned, the artifact will move diagonally with the image frame. The camera needs then to be realigned. Most microscope cameras today are mounted to the microscope by a C-mount coupler. It is usually attached to the microscope body by a set screw. To realign the camera, we only need to follow these easy steps. 1. We untighten the set screw. 2. We rotate the camera carefully. 3. We gently retighten the set screw. 4. We move the stage from left to right to check alignment. And 5. Repeat until success. Here, we are loosening the set screw a bit, allowing us to rotate the camera. As you can see, the alignment has improved, but it's just not perfect yet. We will need to add one extra tiny bit of tilt. Let's untighten the camera coupler again to carefully rotate the camera. We will then retighten the set screw to secure the camera in place. As you can see with the movement of this particle, the camera is now aligned. A good camera coupler is usually relatively expensive, and it should be handled with care. You should take care not to over-tighten the set screw. Tightening the set screw too much might make a dent into the coupler, making future camera alignment more difficult. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful.